Very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to online lecture from St. Thomas High School, Mahua. So, when I will continue with activity 5 only because I sent you video na that was not clear proper. My voice is not coming clear. So, I will send it again. Okay. So, activity 4 I will give at last. Now we will study about activity 5. What happened, when it is in my phone na, it is clear only, but when I am sending to you, my image quality and voice quality is compressed. So the video is coming like this. So we will continue today with same activity number 5. Here is a story of Akbar and a Birbal. One fine day, Akbar lost his ring. When Birbal arrived in the court, Akbar told him, I have lost my ring. One fine day, what happened? That Akbar lost his ring. When Birbal arrived in the court, Akbar told him. So one day he lost his ring. When Birbal was arrived at the court, then Akbar told that my father had given it to me as a gift. That the ring was given by his father. He given as a gift to him. Please help me find it. They are telling, please help me to find it. Then Birbal said, do not worry, your majesty. I will find you ring right now. So one day the Akbar king lost his ring which was given by his father. So he told to Birbal, he told, do not worry, your majesty. Majesty is a word used for royal power like king, queen or else. Like this who is in royal power, their majesty is used. So Birbal what said? Do not worry, your majesty. I will find you right now. Right now only I will find your ring. See, I have lost my ring. My father had given it to me as a gift. Please help me to find that who is speaking. That is Akbar, the king. And not worry, here it is there. Is a Birbal. So he is telling Akbar, king is telling to Birbal that please find me. Then Birbal is telling, do not worry, I will find your ring right now. He said, your majesty, the ring is here in the court itself. Now he said, the ring is here in the court only, not anywhere else. No one has come inside and uh, stolen, but the ring itself is in there in court. So he is using in mind that what can I do to find ring in just right now only within 5 to 10 seconds. So it is with one of the courtiers. Then he told it is with one of the courtiers who are there in court is there all the people and they are courtiers. So it is with one of the courtiers only. The courtiers who has a straw in his beard has your ring. So he is telling that the courtier with a beard. Beard, you know na, here hair is there on man's face is known as beard. So he is telling it is in there only. The courtier who had the emperor ring was shocked. And he don't know that that person is only having the ring. But he tried to find the answer by his mind. So the person who is having ring na, they have become shocked. How he can know? Immediately moved his hand over his beard. So immediately he moved that it is seeing, someone can see like this? No. But by this, the Birbal comes to know that this person is only having the ring. So Birbal noticed this act of the courtier. Then Birbal noticed that who is putting hand in their beard. Then he noticed that the courtier is doing this. So he observed the act. He immediately pointed towards the courtier and said, please search this man. He had the emperor's ring. Then he immediately said, please search this man. Find that in beard it is there or not, like that. He told that he has immediately emperor ring. So he has the emperor ring. Akbar could not understand how Birbal had managed to find the ring. Birbal then told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. Then Akbar could not understand. Akbar, the king, could not understand that how Birbal came to know that this ring is with the courtier only. And how he managed to find the ring. But Birbal then told Akbar that a guilty person is always scared. those person who has some done guilty, yeah, wrong thing, and fear. So he person is always scared only that somebody will ask me, somebody will see me that I have done something bad work like that. So by this he came to know about the ring. Think that the King Akbar gave you the task of finding his ring. What would you plan to find out the ring? You have to suppose that a king has given you a task to find the ring. Then what would you do? Some student will find in whole court. Just you have to think only here. I am telling of some student that what will do? Find the full court. Now you have to see in every room and everywhere you will see first it is there or not. So here what Birbal has done, he used his mind. So what would you plan to find this ring? That you have to think. Okay, so we completed activity number 5. Now see, activity 4 we had discussed. What did Mullah brother-in-law ask? Like that I will send in PDF. This also I will send you in PDF. Here is a phrase. So we'll first recite activity number 6. Listen and repeat the following pairs after your teacher. So when I'm speaking this in my lecture, you have to also repeat it when you are seeing the lecture. Okay. Pen, pen. Wait, wait. Fell, fail. Sell, sail. Tell, tell. Pull, pull. Call, cool. Bad, bad. Mope, mope. Best, beast. Ship, shape. Leave, live, leave. So these are the words that pronounce same. Pen, pen. But spelling is different and the meaning of it is different. Now wet. Wet is what? The wet means water. It is wet, you can say. And wait means you have to waiting for something, that is wait. Fail, fail. One fail is that you are fallen from thing. Another fail is that you in exam or in sometimes you may fail or in anything, that is fail. Tell means you are telling to someone, and tell means story, like that. So each words are different but pronunciation is same and the meaning of the things is also different. Now activity number 7. Recite this sound along with your teacher. Thunder booms. A plate clatters. A phone rings. A horn blows. A lion roars. A donkey brays. A ship bleats. A sparrow. A sheep bleats. A dog barks. A cat mews. A horn neigh. A sparrow creeps. Cock crows. A snake hisses. A monkey chatters. A mouse squeaks. A bear growls. An owl hoots. A cow moos. An elephant trumpets. So these are the sound which birds, animals and they are making. So you have to just read it. You have to read with me when I am speaking this. Now you have to read, okay, when you are saying this lecture. Now activity 8 is who am I? Look at the picture and read the clues. Just complete this crossword puzzle. The first clue to done for you is, so first is what? I gave wool. So who gave wool? Sheep. So that is given. So this activity you have to do by yourself. I lay eggs. So you have to write hen is coming now. So you have to write hen and fill in this puzzle type box, okay? Crossword box. I carry lots donkey. I give you milk cow. Then I am a man's best friend. Who is a man's best friend? Then I live in a state. I bleed. I'm the activity number 8. You have to do by yourself and write in the textbook only. Okay. So from next lecture we will start with activity number 9 and we will start. Next lecture we will start activity number 9 and 10. Okay. Then after we'll continue with our new chapter. Thank you, students.